Hi everyone, I am very happy to come your way once again. I hope you all are doing very well. To my returned subscribers, I want to say very big thank you to all of you. You have been awesome. To come this far, it's by the grace of God, and it's also your support. So I would like to say a very big thank you to you all. So if you are visiting this channel for the very first time, you are warmly welcome. May God richly bless you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and if it's possible, you can share this video with your family and friends. So today on my table I have frittata, potato frittata, and with this recipe I am using parmesan on this recipe, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's have fun then as we get into this video. So guys, here first you must get your potatoes prepared. You get them cooked, you mash them, not so smooth, but you just want them to be in smaller portions, but not so smooth. Okay, then after this, all you would like to do is just to set it aside. Then you get your ingredients ready. Then the next will be the recipe. All right, so this, as you can see, I am just bringing my potatoes to smaller portions, and you would love to do the same to make your recipe a simple one. So I am using about 6 eggs. I have tomatoes, that's fresh tomatoes, red onions. I'm using spinach. So this is my potato. I'm using chicken sausage, and also I have capsicum, fresh minced ginger and garlic, and I'm using olive oil. I also have parsley on the table. So at this point you would like to take put your oil in your pan or any saucepan that you'll be using. So I chose extra virgin olive oil. You can as well use any oil, any healthy oil of your choice. Sunflower oil, you can as well use coconut oil. It's your choice, any healthy oil at all, and you are good to go. So at this point you would like to bring your minced garlic and ginger on fire and add your red onions to it. So you would like to mix it together and leave it for some second on heat, because you don't want this to overheat. We are not making our vegetables too soft, because at the end of the day we are going to bake this for a moment, so for some time I mean, and so we don't have to keep it long on fire. Okay, so the next ingredients that I just added is tomatoes. All right, so at this point you also have to mix everything together, and then gradually you add all your vegetables to this, and you have to note that you are not using so much oil. So depending on the quantity of depending on of the quantity that you are making, or the number of people that you are making this for, you have to use about 2 tablespoons of oil. That is what I'm doing, and I want you to know that this meal actually was made for 5 people, and we even left some we were not able to eat, because this makes you feel a bit fuller and you wouldn't like to overeat. Okay, so at this point you like to add some spices, and I'm adding my black pepper. Also, I have curry, and I also used cinnamon powder and minced spices. So if you don't want any spice, it's okay. I also use a bit of red pepper or pepper powder on this, and at the end of the day, we add salt to taste. So guys, you don't have to forget this spices. It's your choice. You can you can do away with it if you want, and then, but don't forget your black pepper, your salt, and of course, that cinnamon is very healthy, and you don't want to miss it. And for curry, it's made with turmeric, and we know turmeric is very healthy, and you also don't want to miss that. So every spice on this table is very healthy. After adding all your spices, you like to stir everything up. So this is the second session of this recipe. So my ingredients are ready for the second move. So that's my eggs, and at this point all you have to do is break your eggs. Okay, and for the first time I thought 6 eggs was going to be okay, but later on I realized it was not enough, and I had to add 2 eggs to it. And so the ingredients or the vegetable you saw me add to the egg was parsley, and also I added parmesan to it, and parmesan is low on fat. It's rich in vitamins, and it also has minerals such as calcium. It has vitamin B6 and also vitamin A. It also has iron. It has phosphorus, zinc, copper, and so on and so forth. So guys, at this point, you have to grease whatever pan that you're going to use, because you wouldn't want your frittata sticking into the pan, so you would like to grease it. So as I said, I had to add about 2 eggs to this, and it was okay. So the next ingredient I added was salami and sausage. So if you don't want to add salami, it's fine, that's optional, you can take it away, that's my choice. All right, so at this point you would like to add your vegetables to it, and the next or the last ingredient you would like to add will be your potatoes, your cooked and mashed potatoes. All right, so you would just like to make sure that everything is inside us already. So guys, don't forget that you also add your spinach before you mix everything together to get it ready for your last recipe, your last ingredient, which is the potatoes. So at this point everything is already added here, and all you would have to do, or all you would want to do at this point, is just to mix everything together. You make sure that your mashed potato is mixed as it's supposed to be, before you get it ready, or before you take it to the oven. And I baked this under 150 degrees. This is my favorite. Yes. I'm always, because it's hot at my end, and it's okay. So depending on your oven, this is my oven. Anytime I put it on 150 degrees, it does magic. So you decide. Then so here is it, and this is how it looks before it gets to the oven. So guys, all I can say is this is our frittata in the oven.
So
and here is it.
our frittata is
This is how
ready to
it's
serve. And this is so enough. It's much. It's that much. Okay, and it can serve about 5 people or even 6 people. You can take this at early dinner or lunch and you are okay to go. So guys, this brings us to the end of this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment below. If you have any question, don't forget to let me know whatever question that you have on your mind. I have my email there. You can also write it in or under the, you can write it in in the comments section. I want to know, did you really enjoy this video, which I know you did? Okay, so I'll be happy to see you again next time. Don't forget to visit. I'm happy to see you all the time. May God richly bless you and stay safe, be good, be kind to people, and relax. Until I come your way again next time, it's bye bye.